आने वाली बॉलीवुड फिल्म भीष्म का नया एनर्जेटिक गाना 100 तरह की रिलीज हो गया है लॉन्च। इस गाने को जैकलीन फर्नांडिस, जॉन अब्राहम और वरुण धवन पर फिल्माया गया है। गाने का म्यूजिक और बोल दोनों ही एंटरटेनिंग है।
कोई भी फिल्म का म्यूजिक इज अबाउट द कोलैबोरेशन विद द डायरेक्टर। और रोहित के साथ मैं पहले देसी बॉयज किया हूँ, उसमें भी काफ़ी देसी बॉयज टाइटल सॉन्ग्स, सुबह होने ना दे, आज भी क्लब एंथम है। तो रोहित इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू मी एंड उसके साथ काम करने में बहुत मज़ा आया। एंड आई इज़ अ वेरी म्यूजिकल गाय। और ये गाना एक्चुअली मेरा बहुत दिन पहले से कंपोज किया हुआ था, और द हुक पार्ट। और रोहित जब ये सुना उसको बहुत अच्छा लगा और बोला कि मेरा सिचुएशन में परफेक्टली फिट होता है। और पहले गाने का लिरिक्स था 100 तरह के रोग ले लूं, इश्क का मर्ज क्या है, तू कहे तो जान दे दूं, मर जाऊं हर्ज क्या है, ऐसा था। बट उसकी जगह जो ठीक है कहने में हर्ज, आजकल का लव ऐसा कि कहने में हर्ज क्या है, तू कहे तो जान दे तो कहने में हर्ज क्या है। और हाँ, कैरेक्टर जुनायद का जो कैरेक्टर है वो कैरेक्टर फिल्म में भी शूट होता है। ऑफकोर्स वरुण में भी पर आई थिंक वरुण में वेरी सीरियस गाय।
ये गाना रिलीज होने से पहले ही विवादों में घिर चुका है।
Electronic sound, which is very current today in hip hop music all over the world. So that all started coming in, and the song just went to another level. I think when they made Sajid Sir hear it, he has one of the best ears you have in the industry today, and he has this reputation of having honestly, he has a reputation of always having hit songs. You know, whether it's been with Dad or whether it's been with Sabir.
Yeah, we are good can't sing.
So I think the team of Rohit, Sajid Sir and Preetham Sir all together has come up with this.
How was it dancing with Jackie and John?
Oh, super. Jackie is a fireball.
John didn't dance.
Yeah. John did the tech dance. He danced with the chest and his bicep, where he picks her up. But I got to dance with Jackie, and she's a tremendous dancer. I think she's immensely flexible, immensely professional, and I think the most important thing, she's very happy. उसको कुछ भी करा लो, बहुत खुश है वो।
दरअसल इस गाने का विवाद जैकलीन से जुड़ा हुआ है। इस गाने के वीडियो में जैकलीन कृपाण को अपनी कमर पर बांधे हुए नजर आ रही हैं। कृपाण सिख धर्म के 5 अहम चिन्हों में से एक है। जैकलीन द्वारा इस तरह कृपाण को पहनना सिख धर्म से जुड़े लोगों की भावनाओं को आहत करने का मसला बन गया है। इसी के चलते एक सिख सोशल एक्टिविस्ट हरजिंदर कुकरेजा ने उनकी धार्मिक भावनाओं को आहत करने पर जैकलीन से माफी मांगने की मांग की है।
But I don't know about the whole issue. But all I can say that I think as an industry we are all against piracy.
I mean, there's a FIR filed, and it's a very shameless act, and it should not be taken as it's come from the censor. They have to find out.
Yeah. And as a producer, how would you feel when such things happen? You know,
It's a criminal offence. We've always, from the last 15 years, said that we should take out this word piracy and put it as a criminal theft. It's a theft. It's not piracy. Piracy makes it sound very cool. It's pirated. It's not pirated. It's theft. It's like it's a proper thief enters in, and it's too dangerous. Already the film. But I feel this film has got a great scope, and now it will do wonders now. I heard it. I don't know. There's nothing come to me. I read it somewhere.
You know,
We shot it in Morocco.
Yeah.
There's no question.
No, it's not a Kripan, it's an Arabic sword which has been used, and we actually must be having it even in our peti or something, so we can show it. And I'm a Punjabi myself, and so is my brother, so we would never do something like that. And I hope if someone is mistaken, it's a misunderstanding, I can say.
now these controversies keep happening. Do you really feel like it's pretty publicity that
No, we have a team of lawyers now. It's become a habit for the last 1 month. There are stories about like for Houseful, we had 6 people filing a case that it's their stories, and there is critics saying that there is no story in the film. so this is how it happens. So we've got a team of lawyers now for these controversies.
हरजिंदर ने अपने ट्विटर अकाउंट पर जैकलीन के इस गाने में कृपाण पहने हुए कई स्क्रीनशॉट्स भी पोस्ट किए थे, लेकिन उन्होंने तुरंत बाद ही में इस ट्वीट को हटा दिया। फिलहाल इस मामले को लेकर फिल्म की टीम या एक्ट्रेस की ओर से कोई जानकारी सामने नहीं आई है।
Inspired from who does really good action. I think we have so many action heroes here today. We have so many homegrown action heroes. I think Tiger is outstanding what he's done in Bagi. There's a sequence that Tom Cruise did in Mission Impossible where he hung off the plane for 6 minutes. So that was tremendous. So I can seek inspiration from that. And then there are so many over here like Hrithik Roshan, Salman Bhai, Akshay Kumar is amazing. So yeah, I get inspired by homegrown talent as well.
Varun, you have spoken about Hollywood. You love for Captain. You spoke
Yeah.
about Hollywood films doing good business.
Yeah.
And even Vishnu is, if I'm not wrong, Vishnu is releasing with Born Legacy.
Yeah.
So do you see that as a threat or competition? Or what do you have to say about that?
See, honestly, I can say is that I come from a family that loves cinema, and if you made a good film, it'll work. I think. I mean, just see Sairat today, what it's done, and just on the basis of being a great film, I saw it that day and I was blown away. And I think if you make a good film, then it'll work. Nothing else matters.
वरुण, अभी आपने कहा कि गुड कॉज के लिए खड़े होना चाहिए, कोई एक गुड कॉज कंट्री के लिए जिसमें आप पर्सनली बिलीव करते हो और खड़े होकर आपको मौका मिले तो क्या होगा?
I think equality among any gender inequality is wrong. I think, and I think we are going through that revolution in our society where women are concerned today. Women are becoming more powerful. They are becoming a more important part of society today. So I'll definitely stand for that.